All right, welcome back to Advanced Programming. I'm going to talk to you about list properties now. There's just a few that you need to be aware of to be mildly dangerous. So we have two types of lists. We have ordered and unordered lists. So if I want to deal with unordered lists, I can control, basically an unordered list is just a list of bulleted items. So I can control what the bullet looks like. So I can say something like this: UL, open curly brace, list, style, type, and then I've got a choice of one of the following: disk, or square, or circle, or none. So you're going to pick one of these. You wouldn't put all of these, and you're not going to put the OR symbol either. That's not going to be there. You're going to pick one of those. Another option is you can include an image for your bulleted item. And one of the first things I ever did when I was messing around with HTML when it first came out for browsers is I thought like eyeballs would be really cool bullets for list items. So list, style, image, and then URL clown.gif. Okay, and so you could specify an actual URL here, not just a local file. And now this clown is going to be used as the bullet for items in your unordered list. So that's pretty cool. All right, we also have ordered lists. So let me talk about how those work. All right, so I can say OL, open curly brace, list, style, type is one of the following. So decimal, so this is going to, say 1, 2, 3, 4 for my ordered list items, right? Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. I can say upper alpha. So my items are going to be numbered A, B, C, D, all caps. Lower alpha, A, B, C, D, all in lowercase. Upper Roman, so we're going to use Roman numerals in caps, or lower Roman. And those are pretty much the choices that you have. You can also have different levels of a list, so if you want a list to be, 1, 2, 3, and then, I. You want that kind of technique. So if you have an indented list inside a list, you'd have something that looks like this: OL, list, style, type, decimal, semicolon. So that takes care of the first level of the list, and then OL, list, style, type, lower Roman. And that's the second style type for the list. So that's pretty cool. And I think it's kind of annoying. I didn't notice that got blocked. There we go. I think that what this demonstrates is this idea about the divorcing content and the presentation of that content, right? in the HTML, what you're going to see is something that looks like this: ordered list, li, thing /li, and then I can do another ordered list, right? And that's going to indent, and then I could have an li sub thing. Maybe that's sub thing 1, this is sub thing 2, etc. /ol. All right, and what I'm going to end up with is that's the content. Now, how that's presented is going to be dependent on these properties that I've specified over up here. So this might be one thing, then it's going to be I sub thing 1, I sub thing 2, etc. And if I decide I don't like that, I can just change the content, or change the property associated with the list. All right, that wraps up our discussion of lists.